Let me show you some sketches first in pencil. Use your pencil and just divide the area as I have already discussed in other modules. Make a basic sketch. Let's make another sketch with pencil. These are the primary sketches. I am showing here how to use one color or one helping agent because we don't consider black as a color and white also. They both are helping agents. I am using white color in the face, just direct opaque white color. Don't be afraid of using these patches of color. Just go ahead. Use them any way you like. You can make corrections later on. You can choose the hair style. This is the best thing to practice hairstyle. Any kind of hairstyle you can use. This will give you a lot of practice of line and color application and brush movement. You can use black and white. both these colors in wet on wet. Add a little red in the hair. Keep doing these experiments. Same black and white can be used as a complete color scheme by overlapping other colors. I use green color here and mix red color with it. Now I am using here burnt sienna. It is just looking like dark brown because the base color is black and green. Use same color on the dark features of the face. Build the portrait slowly. Use the layers that are drying to your advantage. They are naturally creating a tonal variation. This is possible only in wet on wet. Taking the same shade, define the facial features further. Starting with eyes, you follow the same strokes drawn first for the features as your basic guideline while shaping the features. You can do lot of sketches like this by changing the hues or changing the colors. I have to make skin tone now using burnt sienna, crimson red, white and yellow ochre. I am going to change these tones also. But remember one thing, your shape of the face should not change. The features and everything should be in total proportion. These drawings are for learning purpose. You can learn from them how to create a main form in the face. This type of drawing or this type of practice needs a lot of practice. Now I will lighten this color. This is just one of the method you can work in wet on wet quickly and make lot of sketches like this. I take one more sketch here. Let me put a little white color here on the face. I have to bring it out in black, white and green. But I think this is complete as it is. There is no need to add any other color in it. You can do such type of experiments while making quick sketches with gouache. Now I am making another quick sketch using gouache in wet on wet technique. Again, the basic shape of a head is very important. You have to have basic proportion perfect. You can do any kind of division later on, like if you want to paint a front pose or a profile. The most important for the face are the main contour of the face and a hollow here for eyes and formation of nose. For a perfect look, the choice of good paper, good color and a set of good brushes are very important. This is all done wet on wet. Where you can see these values and these different tones. Here I can use now different values of colors by dipping same skin tone, mix it with the black at the bottom, and this will be a dark tone. This kind of texture is possible only in wet on wet, where the color are applied in layers, while the layers are wet. Make lot of creative sketches like this. You should keep in mind the source of light or the side from where the light falls on the subject. These sketches will help you in creating the different features and different forms. You have to speak within your thought. You don't have to report things. You have to interpret, wait, and try to bring out your subconscious feelings. It is up to you whether you wish to start by the use of dark color or you want to start with light colors. Most people use light colors as base and finish it with dark colors. I have used dark color to emphasize the features. Just a little touch of color creates color, and you should be able to control your brush very efficiently. There are no hard and fast rules. It is an experimental learning and it can't be excelled through rules and books. The smallest touch of color create an effect. A good control of brush is an important lesson to be learned. Gouache is the best medium for wet on wet. You can create miracles through this medium because it has a good drying effect. It dries little faster than watercolor and it is opaque. You can develop any kind of color you like, especially when you work with the black color, and that gives you the best feeling. I usually use different colors for hairstyles. So black has every color in it. You can apply any color over it. I want to make it little bit lively and little bit real because hair got every color and white reflects every color. I am showing you one more quick sketch. You have to have basic form of the head perfect. I have already discussed these things in head study. Here I am showing the wet on wet process. Use wet colors, wet black, wet white and all wet color and fill up these masses with broad brush strokes. Try to see things in shapes and masses. You can easily get things because once you have seen the masses, maybe 1, 2 or 3, and later on you can develop them. Do these quick sketches and then only you can learn things. Here I am developing a different face. You should not wait for long and just spread paint. I have applied the skin tone here in the face. The paper I am using is grey in color. So over the grey color, I have mixed yellow ochre, burnt sienna, white and a little bit of red, crimson red. I will apply some more crimson red and put that crimson somewhere in the hair. See how I will use green color to compensate this black. Now I am applying Persian blue just to give more depth. To create an interest in the portrait, I have used this white shirt here and just a sense of little bit of cloth here. That completes this portrait. If you want few more highlights, you can give them on the forehead, a glint in eyes, nose, lips, and on chin also. This will make your portrait more lively. Before you start your sketch, you have to keep in mind the color, the form, the shape, and everything, because for such type of work you need a proper grammar. You have to read elements of design and principle of design. The main thing in element is negative, positive, and linear. So in the portrait, I have put this area as a positive element here. So one can easily see this, and then this linear area has a beautiful effect. See how I have used the color scheme. I use this grey paper because we have a lot of grey matter in this face. I have left the paper here. See, I have put the colors around the grey paper. So this creates the more dimension. It keep in mind these things because you can leave paper sometime. Most of the time I leave paper and put color over it. So green looks beautiful here. As I said, black has every color. Over this black you can put lot of colors. But the feeling should be that this is hair and this is beard. That feeling, that form and shape supposed to be there. Try these wet on wet works for practice purpose. Use gouache in the beginning, then acrylic and use white. This wet on wet process is fantastic and this will help you in future. One important thing which I just want to put here. Take a small brush and put just a dot in the eyes. See, this brought a life in this portrait, and if you feel that sometimes this light is too harsh and too fast, you can again use a little black or any dark color. It can subdue it. These two dots can make it more lively. Since the technique of wet on wet is to complete any artwork very fast, your strokes have to be calculated. The color you use has to be well thought of, as you are expected to apply color over wet layers. Wet on wet does not allow you to make too many mistakes and gives you little time for correction. Choose your colors for wet on wet carefully for the colors to not get muddy. A lot of white is used for a technique. I have picked for gouache paint for the sketches as it dries easily. Though gouache is an opaque medium, it can be used as a transparent medium too by using a lot of water to the color. Use hog hair brush. You can rub it on the paper or scratch it for beautiful effects. That effects is important to build a character in the portrait. You are free to use any color scheme.